Year 5, Unit 1, Numbers up to 1 million, Lesson Review, Part 1. Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this unit, we will review the following lessons. Get to know numbers, place value and digit value, expanded notation, compare and arrange numbers, estimate quantity, number patterns, and rounding off numbers. We will start with get to know numbers. This lesson review is to ensure students are able to say and write numbers up to 1 million correctly. Every number can be written in two ways, in numerals or in words. Examples of numbers that are written in numerals and words are shown below. Let us try to say each of these numbers together. To say these numbers correctly, you should say the number in thousands group first, followed by the rest of the numbers. 82,106, 103,427, 430,064, 800,005. Now let us try exercise 1.1. Write in numerals for each of the numbers shown in words below. 82,106 in numerals is 103,427 in numerals is 430,064 in numerals is 800,005 in numerals is. Next, let us try exercise 1.2. Write in words for each of the numbers shown in numerals below. 82,106 in words is 103,427 in words is 430,064 in words is 800,005 in words is. Our next review is on place value and digit value. This lesson review is to help students to identify the position and value of a digit within a number. Place value shows the position of a digit within a number. For example, the place value for each digit within this number 512,439 can be shown using the place value chart below. Digit 5 is in 100,000s place. Digit 1 is in 10,000s place. Digit 2 is in thousands place. Digit 4 is in hundreds place. Digit 3 is in tens place. And digit 9 is in ones place. Digit value is a value of a digit at a specified place value within a number. For example, the digit value for each digit within this number 512,439 at its specified place value is as follows. The digit value of 5 is 500,000. The digit value of 1 is 10,000. The digit value of 2 is 2,000. The digit value of 4 is 400. The digit value of 3 is 30. And the digit value of 9 is 9. Let us try exercise 2.1. State the place values and digit values of the underlying digits. The place value of digit 5 in a number 215,349 is thousands, and the digit value is 5,000. The place value of digit 6 in a number 610,387 is hundred thousands, and the digit value is 600,000. The place value of digit 5 in a number 701,529 is hundreds, and the digit value is 500. Our next lesson review is Expended Notations. The purpose of this review is to ensure that students are able to write a number in expanded notations using place value or digit value. A number can be written in expanded notation by arranging the digit values that form that number from the largest to the smallest values. Expanded notations of a number can be written in digit value or place value. For example, expanded notations of 213,806 in digit value is written as expanded notations of 213,806 in place value can be written as Exercise 3.1. Write each number in expanded notation. A. Expanded notation of 306,915 in place value is B. Expanded notation of 756,430 in digit value is and C. Expanded notation of 81,515 in digit value is That's all for lesson review part 1 of Unit 1, Numbers up to 1 million.